This video, I'm going to show you how you can see contacts that are saved on your Gmail account, okay? As usual in this channel, we don't waste time. We just dive right into the content you are looking for, okay? Let's get started. Locate the Gmail app, okay? Then locate the profile picture or the profile icon to the top right. Here you can select the W icon, but it will be different in your case. Maybe you have a profile picture there, just tap on it, okay? Then let me hide this. Then tap on manage your Google account, okay? Then here you will see various options. What I'm interested here is people and sharing, okay? Then I'm interested in seeing the contacts. So at the very top there is a button for contacts. You can see that I have over 225 contacts saved on my Gmail account. So I'll just tap on that contact. Then I'll be able to see all the contacts that are saved on my Gmail account. So that is how we do it. Thank you guys for watching. If you found value in this video, please remember to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Until next time, peace out.